Welcome back to the channel, you kooks. Today we are going to take you along on our mission to get all of our errands done. Usually we wait for like one day to do all this stuff. So we did show you in our past vlog a day in the life of just chilling at the campsite. Now we're going to show you a day in the life of errands for a van lifer. So I hope you guys are ready to come along. It's going to take all day.
We are going to be running a bunch of errands today, and first off was grocery outlet, and we saved $170. Now we got to de-trash all our groceries and leave the trash here.
Give it back to them.
And then we got to pick up a package at general delivery, so you guys are going to come on an errand mission with us today.
Yeah, it takes all day sometimes.
If you don't know about grocery outlet, you are going to know now. They got tons of good organic produce and sustainable fish and grass-fed meats and all that good stuff. Organic coffee, arugula, steelhead trout, organic fruits. We got the sustainable papers, grass-fed steaks, grass-fed butter. It's actually a really legit store. Don't let the Artisana tahini. So now we're just going to show you how it just all gets put away and de-trashed.
We even got some grass-fed butter, cheese, some avocado oil. Yeah, so if you don't know about this place, make it on your list. We do a tour of the whole country of them. So
from the grocery outlet bounty, here is all the trash, and it's staying here in their trash. Now we're heading to the natural food store because we need better produce than what they have at grocery outlets. So we're headed to the New Moon, and then we should be done with groceries. So you're probably wondering if grocery outlet actually has good deals. Well, we got this for $6.99 over there, and it's almost $13
this is
here.
$5.99 there.
And that was $5. So shop the outlet first. So we're all stocked up at the health food store, New Moon, if you're in Truckee or Tahoe City. Support local businesses and support your health. And Danny's packing up, and we'll de-trash again. Also, we save these plastic egg cartons because they last longer and they don't get wet from our freezer dripping on them. All packed up, groceries done. We're also tallying how much we spend on food and everything each month, and at the end of the month we're going to do videos on how much we spent and how we're making this van life happen. Just some more info to help you guys. But Danny's got it packed. And now what? General delivery. We got packages and we got laundry and we need propane. We can actually do propane across the street. So we got the propane filled, and then we use these backups. So if we run out while we're out in the sticks, we got a backup. And we also have the ISO fuel here for the jet boil. So it's good to have backup propane, because when this runs out and you're out there, you will be screwed.
Yeah, I love that Kevin's saying that, because I always say that and he doesn't believe it until we get screwed.
Also, the health food store, we usually have way less trash. All the trash we had from here is just that. So what's so special about them?
So these, they just like, it feels like you're not wearing shoes. A lot of the shoes will pinch your toe box. And so we wanted some sandals that also are like our Ultras that don't do that.
And yeah, my Chacos have been around the block and back, and they're getting all porous, and when I get in the water they just turn into a sponge. So I think they've met their last days.
So we heard about these, and we got them from REI because REI lets you return things if you don't like them. So we're gonna test these weird shoes out.
So Danny got those, and I got these just kind of Z straps, and they're about 80% lighter than the Chacos. So these things are pretty heavy, but they are nice and squishy, but these are so much lighter. And Danny's gonna lose her tan.
I have to get a new tan now.
Check the McDonald's line out, guys.
Starting a traffic jam. It's ridiculous. Stop laundry.
It's laundry day and we got a lot to do. Our van is a mess. We got to do sheets, we got to do our rugs, we got to do our clothes that we've been wearing for days. So we got to strip down and put our clothes into the laundry hamper and get all this stuff off. What do you guys think? Are these even dirty? See what color they look when they pop out. Jeez, it's embarrassing. While we wait for the laundry, we're cooking up a little bacon and eggs, and we found this finally a nice decent sized avocado. We feel like we're back in Baja. The bacon's about done and we're going to use this bacon grease to cook our eggs. Cleanup day. And we got our eggs cooking, and these are pasture-raised eggs, and you can tell the difference. Look at those yolks, they're so orange. And you can always count on the Kookz to show you some non-vegan fan food. So yeah, we're definitely eating meat on the Van Kookz channel, so don't be scared. Also throw some cheese on the eggs and then you cover them on a low temp and you let that steam poach and melt, and you'll see how delicioso these eggs turn out. There's the laundromat breakfast. Eggs, bacon, avocado, and some greens all cooked in that yummy bacon fat. Danny's excited. She's still cleaning up. Van Life All-Star.
Oh, thanks, babe.
The laundry is done and now it's the best part. We get to put it all away. All right, guys, 3:15. We started at what, 9?
Yeah.
About 5 hours to get this van spick and span. Get our shoes, get our food, get our water, get our propane. All we gotta do is pick up a few more packages and errand day is done. Okay, so we've gotten all the packages and now we're here at the Van Kookz kitchen. What are you gonna serve us?
I am making lime, coconut, cilantro, chicken rice with the forbidden rice.
We got organic chicken thighs and coconut milk.
We got some cilantro, some chives, and some carrots.
And we're gonna cook it all
Ginger.
in our favorite
Outdoor kitchen.
Okay, dinner is served. Not yet, but it's ready. Danny did an excellent job.
Hello.
All right, you Kookz, so as you could see, it took us almost all day to get all that done. Cook dinner, make food, do laundry, all the stuff you just saw. Thank you so much for coming along on the journey with us. Please share our videos with your friends. Sharing is caring is what Danny always says, and if you could share our content, it would help a lot. Also, like and subscribe, and thank you so much. And also for some upcoming content, we got quite a few. We got this refrigerator here in the van taking up our space, so we're going to review the fridge, the rock pals, and also we're working on how much we spent here in July, and we're going to share kind of van life expenditures and how we make this happen. So once again, thanks for watching. Share the content, and we'll see you guys next week.
Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back next time for more. Bye, guys.
Peace.